Hey everyone, my name is Mike Mello, broker associate and co-owner at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. Today we're in Port St. Lucie, which is on the east coast of Florida, in between Daytona and Miami on the east coast. So we're in a community called PGA Verano. It's a Kolter community and they have lots of model homes here that we are featuring on our two channels, our MELLO group channel and also our luxury home channel. We're going to feature this one today. It is the Caroline model. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 1,724 square feet of living, and it base price as of April of 2023 is going to be $402,990. Now the base model does not include lot premiums or upgrades. This one does have quite a few upgrades, so keep that in mind, including a second floor. So let's talk a little bit about the outside of the home. We have some nice paved driveways coming up to a 2-car garage, a couple carriage lights on either side, and of course all the tropical landscaping, a pathway that's also paved going up to the front entry. So as we come here to the right side of the house, we see all that tropical landscaping continues up to the front covered area. The front covered area has a step up. As you step up, everything becomes covered. We have a couple windows that look into the office area and of course the front door. So let's go ahead and show you the rest of this home. So welcome into this home. Let me go ahead and close the door behind me. One thing I didn't talk about on the outside was how beautiful the glass front of this door is with the opaque glass. So it's nice privacy, but you get some natural light in as well. Over to my left is going to be the office. So let me show you the office as I walk in here. Of course, we have the nice tile that goes throughout this home. That would be an example of one of the upgrades. And this one, they've done some really cool interior design touches that may not even be an option for an upgrade. That's something you'd have to do after the fact. Like for example, this wood trim that goes all the way around the office as well. That might be something that the builder themselves may not be able to give you as an option. We have our desk here for the office. Everything here is all about fishing, obviously, as you can see. So let's go ahead and show you the rest of the home. Now, Haley, who's doing the camera work today, is right by the front door. So you get a view of what you come when you walk in. So a couple steps into the house, you get to see the kitchen, the dining room, and also the family room. The kitchen has the really nice center island. It's got the countertops to go with the waterfall edge off the side. And of course, we have seating for 2, and of course the pendant lights, 3 of them coming down from the ceiling. On the other side, we do have our cafe appliances, some really nice high-end appliances with our oven and microwave combo. The cabinets are in like a gloss gray color. Up above on the cabinets, we have some stainless steel with some glass fronts, LED lights so you can put some cool decor or your fine china up there, whatever you desire. We have our refrigerator in front of me. Right next to that is going to be the pantry. So I open up the pantry to give you an idea what sort of storage you have in the pantry area. Over to my right is going to be the 2 bedrooms, bathroom, and also access to the garage and upstairs. We'll show you that later, but let's go ahead and show you the rest of the kitchen. So as we come into the rest of the kitchen, on the center island, we have our dishwasher, our sink, and of course the faucet. On the other side, we do have plenty of cabinets. All the cabinets are upgraded cabinets with a soft close. So you push it in, it closes nice and softly. We have our stove top and of course our air vent. The backsplash is done in this really cool pattern with the light grays and whites with like bronze and dark brown colors going throughout with the LED lights under the cabinet as well. So as we continue through the kitchen, we go over into our dining room. The dining room is currently set up for 6 people to sit around and enjoy a nice meal. We have a light fixture above it connecting to the ceiling. And then over on the far side, we do have windows. The windows are high up, so you get the privacy, but also give you some really nice natural light. If I look all the way up to the top, I see that we have the tray ceiling. The tray ceiling goes all the way through to the family room, so it covers the family room and dining room. It also has some really nice wood trim going through. Really easy little upgrade to do that really makes the house have like some sort of character. I do like how they've done that. So we come over to the family room. Family room is a nice size family room, especially for a 1,724 square foot house. We have our couch, couple sitting areas, so you can sit here, have a nice conversation, or watch TV, whatever you desire. Behind us, we do have a sliding glass door going out to the outdoor living. They've done some really nice upgrades out there that we'll show you later on in the video. So as I come this direction, we'll go ahead and show you the primary bedroom suite, which is on the back of the house. So as I come in here, we have some really nice plush, upgraded carpet, king size bed, a couple end tables on either side. So you can see you still have plenty of space all around this bedroom. Behind the bed is an accent wall, sort of like floating off of the main wall with LED lights all around it. It's a really nice touch. I love that with the interior designers and also the color they picked. Then above us, we do see that we have a tray ceiling. The tray ceiling does have crown molding. The crown molding has recessed lights in it as well. And of course, we have this light fixture just coming off of the ceiling as well. So let's go ahead and show you the primary bathroom is right down this hallway. So as I come into the primary bathroom, the first thing to my right is going to be the water closet. And then we have the sink as dual sinks, nice, beautiful cabinets with cabinet hardware. These are also soft close. The 2 sinks with the faucets and of course the mirror. The mirror does have a couple light fixtures coming out that are built into the mirror. And above the mirror, we do have some really nice wallpaper and then this window that gets you some really nice natural light, but it's high enough also for privacy. On the far end, we do have a shower. It is a frameless shower with tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. And they have this really cool decorative tile on the side here that is in the hexagon shapes with like browns and gray colors going up. It really does a really good contrast with the lighter beige color of the main tile. Across the hallway, here to our right, is going to be a walk-in closet. It says this is a nice size closet. Again, this is a 1,724 square foot house as far as the basic plan of this house goes. So as you can see, we have plenty of space in this closet as well. So let's go ahead and go to the other side and show you those other 2 bedrooms. So if you haven't done already, make sure you like and subscribe to our videos. We have both the MELLO Group and Luxury Homes, 2 different YouTube channels. This specific community has videos on both of those channels depending on the price point and what sort of luxury features each of the homes has. Over to my right is going to be the laundry room. It's right off the dining room. So we have our washer and dryer, some nice upgraded cabinets as well, little things to hang your towels to dry. So a nice sized laundry room that you can open and close as needed. Walk through the kitchen and then to the right will be our bedroom. So let's go ahead and show you what we have down here. So the first thing behind this door is just going to be a linen closet so you can put your towels right off the bathroom. This will be bedroom number 2. Again, we have a nice plush carpet, full-size bed, a couple end tables, an accent wall in this sort of mustard color yellow. And of course we have the divers coming off and diving into the bed, just like everyone probably wants to do in the evening time. Over to my left, to the camera's right, will be a closet as well. So next stop is the bathroom. This is the bathroom that the 2 bedrooms we share. As I come in here, of course, we have the dark brown cabinets, nice solid surface countertop, sink, mirror that's framed in the same color as the cabinets, light fixture, and of course behind me we do have the shower, which is frameless. The tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Also, we have a window there for some natural light and the beautiful accent tile that goes up by the shower head as well. So let's go ahead and go down this hallway and show you what we have. We have bedroom number 3. So this one obviously has a single bed in it. As I look at the wall's done in decorative accent wall throughout with just this wood trim that's painted the same color as the wall. Does a really good job. I mean, this is what you typically see in our luxury home channels, sort of decorative designs like this. Again, this will be something that you do after the fact, probably not something that the builder would offer. Above us, we do have a light fixture, and of course behind me a window. And then all the way on the other side, we do have a walk-in closet. As we continue down this hallway, we come to a door. This door is where the air handler is. It does have a little extra storage in there too. You could probably fit a couple tote bags and boxes in there if you needed to for seasonal stuff. The home would end here. This one does have the option for the second story up there, but before we do that, I'm going to open this and show you the 2-car garage just so you can get an idea of what size the garage is. Of course, we only have golf carts in there, so you don't really get an idea of what a real car would do, but you have plenty of space and some space on either side as well for the car doors to open and close. So let's go ahead and go upstairs and show you the second floor, the optional floor of this home. So here we are on the second floor. Before I take you and show you what the second floor consists of, I do want to talk about these railings. They have these really nice modern metal railings, you know, with the wire going through as well, which is a really nice touch on this home. As I come up, we do have wood floors throughout this floor, but this floor only consists of really the 4th bedroom and 3rd bathroom. So as I come this direction, you'll get to see what we have. And right now it's really designed as a spa. It is the 4th bedroom, so you can have it with a bed here, but they've decided to make this a little spa where you come up here and relax in the evenings. They have a nice little table, a nice little decor going on. So it's a pretty neat little area. Now, if you did have it as a bedroom, you'd have your full bathroom right off of the bedroom. As we come in here, we have some really beautiful tile on the floor, nice cabinets, hard surface, countertops, mirror, light fixture, and of course we have our tub. And then on the far end, we do have a tub with that same beautiful tile going all the way up to the ceiling as well. Right next to this is going to be the walk-in closet, so you have everything you need for a bedroom. The walk-in closet's right through this direction, as you can see. You have plenty of space here for your clothes. And what's really cool about this room is the core wall here. As far as the accent wall, they had this wood trim. They did it in a nice dark gray color, which contrasts good with the whites. And then they have these really neat light fixtures coming out. It's like hands with lights popping out of it. So pretty interesting, never seen that before, and I do like that feature. It's pretty interesting. So let's go ahead and check out the outdoor living area. All All right, so welcome to the outdoor living of this specific home. Of course, they've done quite a bit of upgrades here. If you buy this, the base price wouldn't include everything that you see here, but we do have pavers. We have this really cool, neat walkway with the pebbles around it as well that do really good. It walks you all the way out to an outdoor sort of sitting area where you can sit down and enjoy a nice evening cocktail or a hot drink, and maybe even put a fire pit here as well if you wanted to on the cooler nights that we have in Florida. We have tropical landscaping all the way around. And of course, we have a trellis and then an outdoor dining area that's currently set up for 6 people to sit around, enjoy a nice evening out dining, and of course, all the landscaping around. Now, if you were looking for a pool, they do have an amazing amenity center here in PGA Verano. They have indoor pool with a lap pool. They have billiards tables. They have pickleball. They have tennis. They have everything you sort of would ever need, including an outside resort area pool as well. So it's definitely an outdoor community center for active adults. So if you're interested in this community and get more information on this community, make sure you give me a call. My phone number is 407-487-3030. Be more than happy to send you some information and also send you other links of the other models in this community and other communities throughout Florida. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.